passport system upgrade and maintenance. The Ministry of Internal Affairs is to carry out a comprehensive passport system upgrade and maintenance on Thursday, 19th, 2023 and Friday, 20th, January 2023 in order to improve its effectiveness and efficiency. This upgrade will affect all passport services, including passport applications, scheduling appointments, enrollment for interviews, printing and collection, and our service centers and offices in Kampala at the headquarters, Chambogo, that's where we issue passports, our offices in the regions of Mbarara, Mbale, and Gulu, as well as our missions abroad. This is Washington, London, Ottawa, Copenhagen, Pretoria, and Abu Dhabi. All these will be shut down on Thursday and Friday for systems upgrade. The passport application portal will not be accessible to our online services at www.passports.go.ug or scheduling appointments for that matter for these 2 days will not be possible.
Bao omuntu yena alina embeera ya emergency, of course tujja kubeerawo ku office nga twaniriza abo bonna balina obuzibu nga bwa namadala ng'omuntu mulwadde obanga waliwo ekintu kyonna ekiri emergency tujja kubanga tukikolako